Tactix.
Here is some information that will help in selling your Tactix tool chests and cabinets. Tactix tool chests and cabinets are built with the end user in mind. The large cabinet customer has a lot of tools and needs to get organized. They need storage space, plenty of capacity, and a drawer configuration that will optimize their organization, while heavy-duty enough to hold all of their tools. Quality and function of a box make this an application purchase, not a price purchase. The 72-inch tool chest and cabinet combo is made for the tool enthusiast and their needs. Equipped with a 5-inch tall-top drawer and spec'd at an industry-leading 200-pound capacity, this cabinet puts tools where they're needed most. Standard drawers with single ball-bearing slides have a category-leading individual capacity of 100 pounds. The unique power tool locker allows the user to truly organize their power tools and more effectively utilize drawer space. Charging those power tools is now easier than ever, with built-in power strips that include USB charging ports on both the top chest and bottom cabinet, built on a foundation of 3,500-pound capacity casters. And packing a vast 54,850 cubic inches of storage space, the Tactix 72-inch chest and cabinet stands apart from the competition. The 42-inch tool chest and cabinet combo is not a step down in quality, but a change in capacity. Manufactured with the same high-quality features as its big brother, the box is ideal for the customer that has a growing tool collection. Built on 1,100-pound capacity casters and boasting nearly 30,000 cubic inches of well-thought-out storage space, this box is an industry category leader for size and real-world weight capacity. The tool cabinet customer is looking for the right box, the chest and cabinet that fits their needs for holding all of their tools, organizing them in a way that makes sense, and making their jobs and hobbies easier. Quality is in the forefront of their mind, and getting a box that they know will last them potentially generations is what they're really looking for. The line of Tactix chests and cabinets is perfect for those serious about their tools, livelihood, and hobbies. Buy once, buy Tactix.
Tactix.